2026 Audi A6 stands as a true reflection of how luxury and technology can move in perfect harmony. Audi has taken one of its most iconic executive sedans and refined it into something that feels futuristic, elegant, and powerfully intelligent. From the moment you see it, the A6 commands attention with its bold, single-frame grille, sharper LED matrix headlights, and a body that seems sculpted by precision rather than design. The silhouette is sleek and athletic, maintaining the classic Audi DNA, but now with smoother aerodynamics and a stronger stance on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 A6 offers a range of powertrains, from a responsive 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder to a more robust 3.0-liter V6 mild hybrid setup. Both engines deliver seamless power, blending performance with efficiency thanks to Audi's latest 48-volt hybrid system. The result is an incredibly smooth drive, offering quick acceleration without sacrificing fuel economy. And with the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, grip and stability remain unmatched even on slippery or winding roads. Step inside, and the cabin instantly reminds you that this is where Audi truly excels. The 2026 model continues the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and digital sophistication. Soft touch materials, open-pore wood trims, ambient lighting, and precision stitching give the A6's interior a handcrafted, almost artisanal feel. The dual-screen MMI touch response system sits beautifully integrated into the dash, offering intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster known as the Virtual Cockpit delivers crisp 3D visuals and can be customized for performance data or map display. Passengers in the rear are treated to generous legroom and whisper-quiet comfort, thanks to enhanced cabin insulation and refined suspension tuning. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling long motorway drives, the A6 feels planted, confident, and serene. The adaptive air suspension adjusts automatically to road conditions, ensuring every ride feels composed and luxurious. Audi's focus on innovation shines through in the safety and driver assistance technologies. The 2026 A6 comes equipped with advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and even predictive efficiency systems that use GPS and traffic data to optimize your driving style. It's not just a car that responds, it anticipates. In terms of connectivity, the A6 is now smarter than ever. The latest infotainment supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a built-in 5G capability for faster updates and cloud-based navigation. The voice assistant has been improved to recognize natural speech, making it feel more conversational and less robotic. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate how the A6 balances comfort and sportiness. The steering is precise and weighted just right, while the chassis feels agile for a sedan of its size. In dynamic mode, the throttle sharpens, the suspension tightens, and the car feels eager to play. But switch to comfort mode, and it transforms into a quiet, smooth cruiser that glides effortlessly. Every angle of the A6, from its athletic rear design with OLED taillights to the minimalist chrome accents and flush door handles, screams refinement. Audi's attention to detail ensures even the smallest elements, like the soft closed doors and frameless mirrors, contribute to an overall sense of sophistication. The 2026 Audi A6 isn't just an update, it's an evolution of luxury sedans. It brings technology, performance, and design together in a way that feels effortless. Whether you're someone who loves the thrill of driving or someone who values quiet comfort, the A6 delivers both without compromise. It's a car that defines what modern luxury should feel like: intelligent, connected, and timelessly elegant.